So welcome back guys. The next question in this algorithm series is simple array sum. So this is also a basic introductory question. So here just they are giving a number. This is the number of length of that array and these are the elements of that array, and we have to return the sum of all elements of this array. So this is the basic question. So I will show you in C and Python. In Python we can do this thing in one liner. So here they are taking all inputs through the file input. So here they have done a lot of coding in main function, and to this function simple array sum they are passing the length of the array and the array itself. So now just we want to return the sum of elements of the array. So for that I will take one number int sum is equal to 0, and now I want to iterate that whole array. So that's why I will take another variable I is equal to 0. I is less than array count because we want to iterate till end of our array. Then I plus plus. So now I want to add all elements in this sum that we initialized with 0. So here we will do sum is equal to sum plus what is the thing, the array name is ar. So ar of I means in the first iteration it will take 0th element, in the second iteration then it that will go like that. So lastly here we will return sum. So that was the basic question. Now we will see in Python. I think Python has the best solution because the one liner the methods that Python have. So yeah, why it is getting so much time. So I think so that was done. Now we will see in Python. Where is our Python 3? Yeah, this is Python 3. So now here they have written these all things, but we will don't go through this all setup. We will write our code own, means we will take input our own and give the output also own. So now here first of all we have to take this 6 and these all elements, the number of elements. So first of all I want to take the number of elements in an array. So for that I will take n is equal to int. Directly I will take input because I don't want to use this number because this number is not useful in Python. This 6 number is not useful in Python. So now they will pass this whole array, means these elements. Now I want to take that elements. So I will take ELT elements is equal to input. Now if anyone doesn't know about this input type, means if I am taking this input second time, this whole array will come in this ELT where I have taken the input. So that अगर आपको Python, if you know the Python then you will know that it will come in string type. So this is the string type that I have printed. Now I want to split these all elements. So for that we have to apply input dot split, and it will split to default where the space is. So now I will print again. It will create a list of all elements, and yeah, in this format. So after splitting they are creating every character in another thing, and that is the list. Now I want to convert this every character into integer. So for that I am going to apply integer function to every element in this list. We can call list or array. So now to apply it for every element in the array we have to use map function. Map function does basically do that it applies a function to every element in the list. Now I want to apply int function, means I want to typecast. Just in C we can say the typecast. Now I want to convert every element into integer, so that's why this is our function. We can call function because we want to convert every element into int, and we are passing this list that we have created here this list is created. So that's why we are passing this list to that element. Now again I will close the parenthesis. Map int input dot split. First of all, it will create a list of characters, then the all characters will be converted into integer. Now I will again print this thing. So this is for the debugging, means the explanation should be good, that's why. So now every element will be an integer. After that there is a simple method. So I think here we have to write. So here I want to again convert that map into the list. So I will write here list again, means because I wanted the output list, so that's why it was saying the map object. Now it is fulfilled that we have created a list of all integers, means we have taken these all elements into our expected array. Now just we want the sum of these all elements of list. So there is an inbuilt function in Python, that is sum. If you pass the list or something in that sum function, it will directly give the output. So that was the thing. I think it should submit the things fast. Why it is taking so much time? So that was the thing. So I will submit. So thank you guys. So that was the thing.